Welcome back to BorderDrip USA, your trusted source for the latest and most crucial updates on U.S. immigration. Stay informed, stay empowered. Supreme Court's landmark ruling reshapes immigration policy. The Supreme Court has made a historic ruling that redefines the balance of power between the executive branch, Congress, and the judiciary. This decision reinforces that Congress alone holds authority over federal spending, preventing the executive branch from unilaterally redirecting funds. Impact on immigration. This ruling establishes a critical precedent, ensuring that immigration policies cannot be altered at will by the executive branch without oversight from Congress and the courts. With upcoming cases related to DACA and asylum policies, this decision strengthens the judiciary's role in maintaining legal checks and balances, potentially preventing future executive overreach in immigration matters. 212 Waiver flexibility, a new path for immigrants. What is the 212 Waiver? Commonly known as the Magic Waiver, the 212 Waiver provides relief for individuals deemed inadmissible due to reasons such as health issues, prior convictions, or unlawful presence, including the infamous 3- and 10-year bans. What's changing? A major policy shift now grants consular officers increased discretion in adjudicating waiver applications. Even if an applicant was previously denied, they can now reapply without past rejections being held against them. Officers will assess each case independently, creating new opportunities for applicants. Maximizing your chances. If reapplying, ensure you provide new evidence, highlight changes in your circumstances, and reference updated legal standards to strengthen your case. Lawful entry, a possible route to a green card. Did you know that entering the U.S. lawfully, even under limited conditions, can pave the way for permanent residency? How it works. Under Section 245 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, individuals who initially enter the U.S. lawfully, even if they later overstay or work without authorization, may still be eligible to adjust their status and obtain a green card. Why it matters. Many assume their immigration options are closed if they overstay a visa or work unlawfully. However, if your initial entry was legal, this could open a legitimate pathway to permanent residency. Permanent residency, not always permanent. Holding a green card grants lawful permanent residency, but does not guarantee indefinite stay in the U.S. Risks of losing your green card. Certain actions can result in green card revocation, including criminal activity, extended time outside the U.S., and violations of immigration laws. What this means for you. To maintain your status, follow all immigration regulations, avoid criminal offenses, and ensure compliance with residency requirements. Failure to do so can lead to deportation. Trump's gold card proposal, a new route to citizenship. Former President Donald Trump has introduced a controversial gold card initiative, allowing foreign nationals to purchase the right to live and work in the U.S. for $5 million. This program would replace the existing EB-5 investor visa and offer a direct path to citizenship. The debate. Supporters argued that this initiative would attract top global talent, generate significant revenue, and reduce national debt. However, critics believe it prioritizes wealth over other contributions to society, raising ethical concerns about making citizenship a commodity. Key features of the Gold Card visa. Open to all nationalities without restrictions. Requires a $5 million investment. Aims to attract job-creating entrepreneurs. Applicants undergo vetting but face no country-based quotas. What it means for immigration. If implemented, this plan could redefine U.S. immigration policies by shifting focus toward financial contributions. The question remains, should wealth be the primary factor in determining immigration eligibility? What's next for U.S. immigration? From Supreme Court decisions reshaping executive power to new visa pathways like the Gold Card proposal, U.S. immigration is undergoing significant changes. Will the revised 212 waiver process provide more opportunities for immigrants? How will the Gold Card visa affect traditional immigration pathways? Stay informed, stay prepared. If any of these changes affect your immigration journey, consult an immigration attorney for guidance on your specific case. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share BorderDrip USA with others who need the latest immigration news. Your support helps us keep bringing you the most important updates. See you in the next one.